So you're sitting in a meeting or a quiet room and suddenly your stomach decides to chime in with loud, rumbling growls. What's going on down there? Well, let's delve into the science behind why your stomach growls. First off, the medical term for stomach growling is borborygmi. These sounds are caused by the movement of gas and fluids in your intestines. When your stomach is empty, the brain signals your digestive muscles to squeeze these remnants through your intestines. This muscle contraction creates those familiar rumbling noises. But here's where it gets interesting. A study published in the American Journal of Physiology explains that this growling actually serves a purpose. It helps stir up any remaining food and the associated acids and enzymes to ensure that everything is broken down properly. This process is crucial for a healthy digestion. Now, maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise can actually influence these growling sounds. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help manage the intensity and frequency of stomach growling. Foods high in fiber, like fruits and vegetables, can regulate this process because they take longer to digest, keeping your digestive system more consistently engaged. Regular physical activity also plays a role. Exercise stimulates the intestines and can help gas pass through the digestive system more efficiently, reducing the loudness and frequency of stomach growling. So next time your stomach growls, remember, it's just your body doing its job. Keeping a healthy lifestyle not only supports digestion, but also minimizes those awkward growling moments. Remember, every part of your body, including your digestive system, benefits from a balanced diet and consistent exercise. And that's the silent, or not so silent, secret to a quieter stomach during those quiet moments.